Hey everyone, thank you for getting back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin's monthly RSI. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at roughly $98,000 and I think it just hit $97,000 today as well. So it's in a very critical price right now. And if you remember previously in my previous video, I talked about this trend line, this line of support right here, that right now we have just broken it, and we have broken it in the past as well. Just we had like some weeks uh, uh, below this resistant support line. And if you remember, I talked about the fact that if we get a couple of weekly candle below this resistant lines, then it's very likely that we will experience the beginning of the new bear market for Bitcoin. Um, but right now we are below the this trend line, which is not good for Bitcoin at all. Um, but we have to wait and see that whether or not the weekly candle will close above this trend line or below this line of support. So this is important. Another thing that I want to talk about today is the monthly RSI, because first let me go to monthly time frame and then RSI. So let's see. So if you look at the monthly RSI, this level right around 60 to 50, 59 or 58, give or take, is the area or the level that usually Bitcoin bounced back from here, and it happened here in August 24, and then it also happened in March 2025, and now we're here at this level again. And unfortunately, we are just slightly below this level, but we have to pay a very close attention to this area to see if this this line will continue to go further down or not. If we get a bounce from here, then this happened in the past, so it's likely that we will get a bounce. But if not, if it goes further down, then in my opinion, it will be the beginning of a new bear market for Bitcoin. So this is very critical. And in the past, this line, like I said, has been a very strong support for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin got support from here and bounced back, and now we are here again. So this is something that you have to pay close attention to. And also, if we look at the weekly RSI, again, this is the area that previously we find support in this. Sorry, let me just use this. This area. So if you look at this, September 24, we got support from this level from weekly RSI, and then we hit this level again, and then we got another bounce, and now we are here again. So we just hit it, and let's see what's going to happen for Bitcoin, because like I said, both for monthly RSI as well as the weekly RSI, Bitcoin is sitting in a very critical area. We have to see whether or not we'll get a bounce from here. So this is one of the things that we have to pay attention to. Another thing that I want to talk about is the fact that we are getting a dead cross. And let me just open. And then let me go to daily time frame. So right here we have a dead cross that's coming. We're almost there. I would say like maybe next week or early next week, this two line will cross, and that will be a dead cross. And as for those of you who don't know what dead cross is when the 200 moving average, 200-day moving average crosses and with the 50-week moving average, that's called a dead cross. And the reason why dead cross is important because previously for this cycle, which started from end of 2022, which marked the beginning of the new bull cycle, the dead cross has always acted as support for Bitcoin. So, for example, if you look at here, the first dead cross that we got for this bull cycle was October. I mean, we had another one here too. So, and then we had another one in October 2023, and then we got a rally about 165% for Bitcoin. And then we had another dead cross right here, and then again it acted as support, and we got another leg higher around 78% for Bitcoin. And then likewise we got another one, the last one, the latest one that we got, the latest dead cross that we got was in May 2025, and then we got a rally of around 35% for Bitcoin. And now here we are again. Another dead cross is very close. That's going to happen by next week, and in just maybe 1 or 2 days. And let's see what's going to happen for Bitcoin, because like I said, if it acts as a support for Bitcoin, then it's likely that we get another leg higher for Bitcoin that maybe will get us to around $128,000. But if you remember in the previous video, I also mentioned that this area, this line of resistance, is a very strong one since 2017. We may break this one, we may not, if this did cross act as a support for Bitcoin. But if not, then what's going to happen is that we will experience something similar to 2021, which was the beginning of the bear market. And as you see, here the death cross marked the beginning of the new bear market for Bitcoin, like from around $80,000 or $49,000 was the area when the dead cross happened, and then we got a crash all the way to $15,000 to $16,000. So again, all I'm emphasizing here is the fact that we are in a very critical time, and we have to wait and see what this dead cross will bring with it. Will it cause the Bitcoin to get another leg higher, or will it make Bitcoin to get crashed and mark the beginning of the new bear market? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. If you like this video and if you get value from these kind of contents, make sure to subscribe to my channel and provide your opinion, comments. What do you think what's going to happen for Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks or months, or for the remaining of this cycle? And I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.